Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, how are you today, guys?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So, today we will learn about an article titled An Analysis of Factors Influencing English Speaking Skills. So, this article is from International Journal of Research in English Education, written by Lai Mei Long, and it will be presented by me. Next slide, please. Okay, so today we will learn about definition of speaking, the characteristic of speaking skills, the importance of speaking skills and the problem, and also the factors that influencing the problems. Also, in the end of discussion, I will give you some solution to improve your speaking skills. Next slide, please. So before we start our discussion, I will ask to you some question, and you may answer my question one by one. Okay?
Okay.
The first question is: have you ever felt nervous when you were doing public speaking?
Yes.
Yes. So how do you deal with it? Badestri?
Maybe take a deep breath.
Okay, good. Mbak Nadia?
Yeah. Drink water.
Drink water? Great. So, Alex, what about you?
Talking with a friend maybe.
Talking with a friend, mashallah. So, next slide, please. Does everyone here know what is speaking? Mbak Nadia, can you please read the definition, please?
Okay. Speaking is to say or be to communicate as by talking, to make a request and to make a speech.
Okay, thank you. So, speaking skills or speaking is a communication process between two or more people aims to tell an information or to ask something. For example, I stand here, communicate with you, and you give me a feedback about what I say. That's called speaking. Also, another example is when I said to you, please next slide, or no. And for example, close the door. That's also called speaking. Next slide, please. The importance of speaking. Speaking is the most important skill because it is one of the abilities that is needed to perform a conversation. We doing a conversation every day, right?
Yes.
And also, speaking skills is important to when you want to get a better job. Nowadays, language skills is one of the most important skills that you have to know. You have to um, know when you want to get a better job. Also, because we are English students, we should have a good speaking skills, right?
Yes.
And also with speaking skills, you can improve any other skills like reading skills, listening skills, and also writing skills. Next slide, please. Okay, speaking have three characteristics. The first is the fluency. What is fluency? Fluency is like the speakers should is the speaker's ability to speak understandable. That's called fluency. The next is the accuracy. This is about the grammatical structure, about the linguistic factor when we speak. The third is pronunciation. The speakers should pay attention to the pronunciation, like um, how do we pronounce a word, how do we spell a word, and this is also include the stress in a word, the intonation when we speak, and the pitch when we speak. Next slide, please. This is the problem that some of you may have. The first is afraid making mistake. And I know that maybe some of you are afraid making mistake when you are doing public speaking, right? The second is forget the material. Sometimes I also forget my materials, and that's such a bad thing. And next is low participant. What is low participant? Low participant is like when I speak to you, you don't pay attention to me, and you don't give a feedback to what I say. That's called low participant. The last problem is the speaking ability. Everyone have a different speaking ability. Maybe some of you have a very good speaking ability and the others are not. Next. It is the factor that influencing the problem that I say to you. The first is condition. What condition? The place condition, the audience condition, and our condition. This is maybe different to speak when we are in a good mood and when we are in a bad mood. The second is the affective style. This is um, like internal factor that comes from you, like the anxiety, the motivation, and your speaking ability. Next is listening ability, topic knowledge, and feedback. Next slide, please. And this is the solution to improve your speaking skills. The first is practice, and the second is self-affirmation. Self-affirmation, what is self-affirmation? It's like you can say to yourself, like, I can do it, it will be okay, and so on. So thank you for your attention, guys. I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.